Hello guys, welcome back. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to download presentation from Tome AI. Now be sure that you watch to the very end to avoid any mistake. And please guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also to like the video. Thank you guys. Now let's get started. Now first thing you need to do is to sign in into your Tome account, and if you already have a presentation you can just open it. But if you need to create a new presentation, just click on create. Then you can download all these features, presentation containing all these features. Now we need to create a presentation, and just type the title or what you want to present. Now for this tutorial I just click computers. Then click generate outline. Then you can generate all pages. Now your presentation is being created, as you can see. Just on the left you will see your presentation being created. Now your presentation has been created. You can see all the slides. Now keep in mind that for you to download the presentation from Tome AI, you will need to have a pro account. Now for you to download, you just click on those three dots on the top right corner and click export to PDF. But you just as I had said, you will need a pro account for you to download the presentation. That's it guys. That's how you can easily download presentation from Tome AI. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.